everyone, what's up? Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be doing a unboxing of a curling wand that I just purchased from Bombay Hair Extensions. I'm actually super excited for this because lately I have been kind of into curling wands other than the curling irons. So I'm going to be doing like a first impressions and an unboxing. So let's go ahead and get started into today's video. Okay guys, so this is the packaging of the Bombay 32mm in rose gold curling wand. And this is the packaging. It looks really cute, super chic, and it just tells you pretty much all the stuff in the back. But let's go ahead and open it. And honestly guys, look at how pretty that is. So it is in rose gold, and I'm super excited to use this because, like I said, I've been really into the curling wands lately. Even on my clients at work, I've been using curling wands other than the curling irons. So I am super excited for this. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this out and let's get started. Okay, so I just plugged in the curling wand. Oh, I did not mean to kick the camera, sorry guys. But the cool thing about this, I wanna go ahead and show you, is whenever you are picking your settings, it will turn green on when it gets there. I like this because it's kind of high tech and it tells you when it's going up the heat, so that way you know when it's done. So yeah, I'm going to put this right here. Also too, in the box you guys are going to receive a little pamphlet from Bombay Hair Extensions. It's going to look like something like this. Pretty much just going to give you the instructions to the curling wand, and also to something that I think is cool that I've never had before, especially when I get curling wands, is it's going to give you a cute little glove. Now for those of you guys that aren't used to working with curling wands and are afraid that you guys are going to burn yourselves, highly recommend that you guys put this glove on. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started into curling the hair. So I want to go ahead and mention to you guys as well, I am currently using Bombay Hair Extensions in the color Espresso, and these are 20 inches. I don't know if you guys could see, but I have been using Bombay Hair Extensions ever since I was in high school, and honestly, hands down, these are the best extensions. I've tried many high-end extensions that you guys see all over Instagram and YouTube. These personally, Bombay Hair, are highly the best. I highly recommend, especially if you guys are interested in clip-ins. Definitely recommend them. So first things off, I'm going to section off my hair, kind of just part it down the middle so I have both sides on one side. Also too, I'm going to, let's just see, I'm going to start at the bottom of the hair in the nape area. And I'm just going to clip my hair back, that way we have some room to work. I'm just going to be taking sections about this big and getting my wand. Now the trick too, when you are doing, well, curling your hair with the wand, the trick is to put the wand like this, and you are just gonna go like that, and you wanna make sure that the hair is flat, and you wanna wrap it around. I'm gonna leave that much out at the end, and I'm just gonna hold it for about 5-6 seconds. Release it. Ooh, that's actually a super pretty bouncy little wave. So I'm just gonna throw that to the back, that way I know that I'm done with that. And let's go ahead and do the next section. And sometimes with one of your fingers, you guys could feel the hair and see if it's getting caught. And that will kind of help you guys out too, as to not wanting to burn your hair so quick and fast. But I'm actually really liking the way this is curling. Also too, something really quick that I want to show you is when you are using the curling wand, don't just twist the hair like that. Do you guys see how it's twisted and wrapped around the wand? You don't want to do that. What you want to do is you want to have it flat. Okay, so just go around it, flatten it out, and hold it there for about a good, I would say probably about a good 8 seconds. That's actually a super... Alright, so I'm going to take the next section. And I'm gonna do probably about that much hair. Put this hair off to the side. Put this hair to the back, that way we know that we already got that hair curled. And I'm just gonna continue with the same section of hair. There we go. Alright, so this is what we have so far, and I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward the rest of this. That way I'm not here so long and you guys get the point. Okay guys, I'm so sorry for the inconvenience, but unfortunately my computer shut down and I lost the clip of me doing the other side of my hair. But pretty much what I did to the first side of my hair, I did to the other side. Nothing changed. Still kept going back with the curls. So I left out these two front pieces, which are pretty much my bangs, and I'm going to be taking these pieces and instead of doing the same thing that I did with these ones, because instead of doing the same thing with the rest of the hair, I'm going to be taking these pieces and wrapping them. I'm gonna kind of like go like that with them, that long, and I'm gonna let go. Kind of fix the ends and then let go. Okay, and do the same thing. Let's see here how this one will go. So this is the after. Now the curls are a little bit too tight for me, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my hands and I'm just going to pretty much ruin the curls, run my fingers all the way through my hair. This is gonna create more of that like loose beachy wave kind of look. the other side. Okay everyone, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you guys are interested in purchasing the Bombay curling one, I am going to leave it down in the description box below so that way you guys can purchase it. Also too, I just want to go ahead and remind you, or tell you guys, not remind because I didn't say it, but I actually got this curling wand on Bombay Hair, and right now this curling wand is originally, I believe, $130, and actually I got it for $60. So I highly recommend, if you guys haven't, by the time I hopefully upload it, they will still have that sale, so go ahead and check this curling one out. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you guys can, please comment, like on this video, and if you guys aren't already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. It would mean the most to me. I hope that you guys all have a great day, and I will be back with more videos. Bye guys.